Hey everybody, I hope you had a Merry Christmas and of course a Happy New Year. I'm filming this video the Friday after New Year's, so I thought I'd do a short video letting you know how my Christmas went and also letting you know my plans for 2019. Oh yes, and I also wanted to tell you about what happened to Meredith and the reason why she is at the dealership in storage and not in my storage unit sitting next to Roxanne. Oh look, there's a picture of my old bike. That stupid fat grin on my face. Oh, I miss that bike. Isn't she a beauty? Anyways, I'm getting off track. Unfortunately, this happened so fast. I think I only have one picture, which I will put up on the screen. So on what ended up being my last ride this fall, it was a cold and windy day, but the three of us really needed to get out and go riding. The three of us being my buddies Phil and Rob. We got to a bar that's on top of a river bluff. I go around, get off the bike, go around and go to unlatch the lid on the tour pack, and the wind just took the whole tour pack lid, flung it so hard that it broke the tether and then snapped back, and starting where one of the hinges for the tour pack is cracked and almost broke off the lid of the tour pack. It did about, what was it, like $1,400 worth of damage. So unfortunately I had to make an insurance claim, pay my $500 deductible to get a new tour pack lid. Not lid, they're saving the lid, but they need a new tour pack trunk thingy, and of course it has to be ordered and painted to match. So that's why Meredith is in the shop in storage, because it was going to take at least 8 weeks to get the parts, and I also need a new drive belt and a new rear tire, so I just decided to let them keep it and they can do the work on it over the winter. Anyways, let's move on to Christmas. How was your Christmas? You should let me know in the comments if y'all got anything motorcycle related. I'm going to show you what I got that's motorcycle related. Those pieces of paper right there add up to $75 worth of Harley Davidson gift cards. Oh, I got so much to do today. I shouldn't even be filming this. We got 2 blankets for Christmas. Boom, boom. This one's got our name on it, our names on it, customized by a friend of ours. And then, of course, we had to represent with the Vikings blanket, even though they suck ass this year. One thing I bought myself was a new beer kit, so I'll be doing that soon. Don't worry, I don't think I'll be making any more videos on on brewing beer. So the big gift that I got for myself for the motorcycle hasn't arrived yet, unfortunately. It's supposed to arrive today. Hopefully it does. I will definitely show you what it is. I also got my girlfriend a hooded sweatshirt. Oh, lighting sucks in here. Wasn't cheap, but it looks good on her, so I'm glad I got it for her. It's really about all I got. I mean, as a family, we got some other gifts, some games, some gift cards to, I think we got a gift card to a mini golf course or something. Gift cards to some restaurants. All in all, it was pretty low-key though. So of course, since I have a Friday off, my girlfriend gave me a bunch of chores to do. So I've got some errands to run, and during that time, I'll let you know my plans for the new year. First thing I'm going to do, since it's cold out, is start the Jeep. And once that is warmed up, then we're going to go to the storage unit. It's going to be extremely bittersweet, but my goal is to get rid of this storage unit. And by that, I mean buy a house. So in order to get a house, we need to quickly pay down some debt and try to save up as much of a down payment as possible, which means Roxanne sadly has to go. I just haven't been using her enough lately. So I've been doing a little bit of research. I'm hoping I can get around $5 grand for her. I got to put a new battery in her this spring. She could use a new set of tires. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that before I sell it or just sell it as is with a new battery. Basically, I'm just going stir crazy and I feel like I'm throwing my money away in this apartment. I doubt I'll end up getting a house this year. I guess it really just depends on what comes on the market this spring and how quickly I can sell Roxanne. Another thing, we actually have a couple of trips planned. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop. Wow, what was that? We actually have a couple trips planned this year. They aren't necessarily motorcycle trips per se, they're family trips. But my goal is to rent a motorcycle while we're there. You know, I was hoping I could rent a couple of things that might be fun to do a review on. Something new anyways. So one of the trips is out to Seattle to visit my daughter's aunt. And another one, still pending, is down to Tampa, Florida, which is where a buddy of mine, Tom, just moved to about a month or 6 weeks ago. So, my goal is to get out to both of those places this year. Oh, balls. And rent a bike while I'm out there for at least a day, hopefully 2 days. Guess it all depends on the weather. I don't know why we just keep missing the snow this winter. If you travel an hour north or an hour south of here, there's a lot more snow on the ground. But by the end of this week, it's going to be so warm this weekend. Yesterday it was in the 40s. Next couple of days it's going to be in the 40s. I don't know if we'll have any snow outside. I mean, there's barely any now. One other trip I'm hoping to take is a motorcycle trip with me and my girlfriend and hopefully 2 other couples. We're going to try to get out to the House on the Rock in Wisconsin, which is a big tourist trap in Wisconsin. Some people hate it, some people like it. I find it extremely interesting. You should look it up online. It's just a weird, eclectic collection of stuff, and why are we stopping? Can you see me now? Yeah, we're gonna try to get out there. That'll be like our official motorcycle trip this summer, I think. I would like to get out camping more. That's definitely something I need to do. I know that's not motorcycle related, and it's probably also not going to be channel related, but that is something I really, really need to do more of this summer. I've been saying that for the last 5 years, and I need to make it happen. But something that might be channel related is we are also trying to figure out one other decent motorcycle trip. I know we're not doing Sturgis this year, but friends of ours have been talking about doing a rally that is closer, either Algona in Iowa or perhaps the Tomahawk Rally in Wisconsin, or possibly get out to Milwaukee, although that's not much closer than Sturgis, although it'd probably be a lot cheaper than Sturgis. It never fails. Every time I go grocery shopping at Walmart, I forget that I hate their stupid plastic bags, and then I always forget to bring my reusable bags, and now I'm stuck with a bunch of frickin' plastic bags all over the back of the truck. I've been gone for almost 3 hours, and he hasn't even moved. Look what showed up. It's been like Christmas Day all over again. I got my 2 packages in the mail. My girlfriend also got 2 packages in the mail that were back ordered that were supposed to be here by Christmas. So what are we looking at? I decided to bite the bullet, take advantage of a sale, and use some Amazon gift cards to buy a whole new audio system for the bike, minus the head unit. For now, I'm sticking with the head unit because that still works. So I'm not in as much of a hurry to replace that. Right now I want to replace the speakers because that's what sounds like crap. These are the 5 1/4 inch speakers for the tour pack. Oh, by the way, I did a ton of research before settling on the Rockford Fosgate. Number 1, I watched a ton of videos on YouTube. These ones I can actually hear in person, and not only that, but they were selling them at the dealership, so they had a whole bike on display set up with this, and it sounded spectacular. Let's see what we got in here. And another reason why I went with this particular one, other than the sound quality is awesome. These are marine grade speakers, which they should be, in order to hold up to the elements, but it is supposed to be, and I pretty much confirmed with the techs at the dealer that these are plug and play. About as easy as you can get. I haven't bought new speakers, audio speakers, in ages. Not since I was a young man and cared about that kind of stuff in like car stereos and stuff. What's amazing to me is just how heavy these are, but how small the magnets are. These must be a really high quality magnet. Alright, tour pack speakers. Cool, but that's all that's in that box. What really matters is what's in this bad boy, and this comes with a 4-channel, 400 watt, 4 ohm amplifier. Why do I keep losing my knife? Alright, and of course, the front speakers. Box on box on box. Kinda anxious to see these. 6.5 inch round speakers in this extremely odd shaped front speaker grill that Harley decided to go with. Okay. Oh, and these are all one unit. The grills are not separate. I can't wait to get these out and compare to the factory speakers. But they look like just slightly bigger version of the 5 1/4 speakers from back. So, some new screws, I'm assuming, for mounting. Alright, cool. I am super excited. Let's take a look at this amplifier. I can't believe how small this box is. First thing. First impression. Comes with a setup disc. The amp, all shrink wrapped and everything. There's a lot of adjustability on here. Yeah, this thing's pretty compact, pretty lightweight, which is nice because it's got a mount in the fairing area. It's just going to add more weight to the top heaviness of the motorcycle. And HD amplifier installation kit, easy installation, no drilling required. All kinds of stuff. This is one of those boxes where I probably shouldn't unpack everything. Brackets, adapter cables. Oh, there's the main power cable. Rear cable assembly. Anyways, there's more stuff in there. I'm not going to take it apart because it's getting a little unruly. I want to make sure it still fits in the box because it ain't getting used for a while. So there it is. Merry Christmas to me. I cannot wait. I cannot believe how crappy the factory stereo is. So this will be fun. Maybe I'll do a video on it, on the installation. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So that's it. Happy 2019. Again, leave a comment in the comment section if you got something motorcycle related for Christmas, or something that you're planning on for the 2019 year that's motorcycle related. Thanks for watching. We'll dippity do it another time. Peace.